Are you looking for the best drawing tablets for artists and designers? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets for artists and designers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPEN Artist 12. The XPEN Artist 12 earns our top spot because of its compatibility, customization, and reasonably affordable price point. The touchscreen display, a 1920x1080 HD IPS display, isn't the highest resolution available, but with 72% NTSC color gamut accuracy, its focus is on reproducing your work with as much precision as possible. What's great about having an 11.6-inch display inside your drawing tablet is that you don't need to look at your other screen while drawing on a separate surface. You're drawing on the device where your lines and colors appear. This makes it feel like you're really creating art in the real world. The passive hexagonal pen, which feels very pencil-like, allows for 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity so that you can really get the hand-sketched feel in your work. And because the pen is passive, it's not another device that needs to charge. In addition, the Artist 12 gives you a full high touch bar you can program to fulfill certain commands on your computer. XPEN recommends mapping it to the zoom in/zoom out feature, and you can harness 6 different assignable shortcut keys. This makes it less of a drawing-only tablet and more of a full-featured control surface for your design programs. The device is compatible with Windows 7, 8, or 10, in 32 or 64-bit, and Mac OS X as old as version 10.10. Number 2. Gaomon PD1560. The Gaomon PD1560 boasts a big, bright, 15.6-inch display with a 1920x1080 resolution. In some ways, it rivals the Wacom options, but because it doesn't feature a touch wheel or flashy multi-touch, we think it's a more suitable rival with our top pick from XPEN. Because of the 72% color gamut accuracy and the 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity from the active pen, it really does have many of the features of the Artist 12. What makes it different is that it offers 10 assignable function keys, lined up in a column on the left edge of the device, which is more than the Artist 12. However, you'll have to pay nearly $100 more for this device. The IPS display's brightness and the extra function keys might be enough for you to spend that higher price tag, but the awkwardly wide form factor, different from something like the less sprawling Cintiq 15, makes it a device that will take up a lot of space on your desk. There's no denying that this is a great peripheral with truly impressive pen specs. Our reviewer, Jeremy Laukonen, found the pen performed flawlessly during testing, although he noted that the side buttons could be more pronounced. Number 3. Simbans PicassoTab. The Simbans PicassoTab is actually a standalone tablet, despite the fact that we were steering clear of these for this review. The reason this unit, to us, could be considered a drawing-specific tablet is because that's the thing it does best. If you want an Android tablet for media consumption and web browsing, this will do fine, but you can get just as good of an experience on the cheaper Amazon Fire tablets. What this tablet does better is drawing. And that's for 2 reasons. It comes with an active stylus right out of the box, allowing for solid palm rejection, crucial for avoiding mispresses while drawing. It also comes with Autodesk Sketchbook and Artflow pre-installed, 2 excellent beginner sketch apps for Android. As far as tablet specs go, these aren't all that impressive, but they'll work well for a standalone drawing tab. There's a 1.3 GHz quad-core mobile processor, a 10.1-inch IPS display that sports a resolution of 1280x800, and even a 2MP front-facing camera and a 5MP rear-facing camera. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even a microSD card slot are here. You also have the capability of using a micro HDMI port to connect this tablet to an external computer. And it's that latter point that makes this really friendly for budding artists. They can start with the onboard SketchUp basics but then graduate to real Adobe apps and use an external monitor while using this tablet as a peripheral. It's a good balance of both worlds, and it goes for right around $200. Number 4. Wacom Intuos Pro. Wacom has been near the top of the drawing tablet game for some time, and the Intuos Pro is arguably its flagship line of drawing peripherals. This version, in what Wacom calls the medium size, is sort of the Goldilocks of the lineup, giving you an 8.7 x 5.8 inch active surface area but occupying only a footprint of 13.2 x 8.5 inches. This means it won't be quite as cumbersome at your desk setup but will still offer a lot of real estate for work. Some other impressive features are the 8 dedicated function buttons you can assign to programs on the fly, the assignable touch wheel for navigating programs more fully, and even the hand recognition switch that allows the tablet to respond to gestures much like a trackpad would. Of course, it's Wacom's Pro Pen 2 that brings with it the most notoriety. This active pen provides a whopping 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for excellent sketching precision. Wacom has also baked in a latency time that is 4 times faster than the first generation Pro Pen and has even included tilt support for sketching more natural, fading lines. It also includes Bluetooth in addition to wired connectivity. The whole package works with the latest operating systems and design software, and though it isn't the most affordable tablet out there, it's a pretty reasonable price for a creative professional. Number 5. Wacom Cintiq 16. Similarly to the Artist 12 from XPEN, the Wacom Cintiq 16 aims to offer artists a true digital canvas to work on, a standalone touchscreen display that packs in the same precision of Wacom's non-screen pads but with a colorful visual to offer immediate feedback on your work. That display measures 15.6 inches diagonally and features an HD resolution of 1920 x 1980. The glass encasing the top of the display, while a bit glossy, features a glare-reducing coating that's easier on your eyes. Speaking of accuracy, the Cintiq 16 can portray up to 16.7 million distinct colors, giving it a gamut accuracy of 72%. This is pretty standard for design needs and will work well for most art projects. The other side of the Wacom equation is the physical feel of drawing on the tablet. Wacom is known for its accuracy and functionality, and the company has done its best to include those features here on an actual screen-based tablet. At the center of that is the Pro Pen 2, providing 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, great for sketching, up to 60 degrees of tilt recognition, for fattening up your lines, and an impressively low latency level that is undetectable to most users. You'll sacrifice some control, such as the multi-touch capabilities and assignable function buttons found on other Wacom units, but you're doing so to get the best possible display-oriented tablet you can for a steep, but not exorbitant, $650.